Control your computer with your cell phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your laptop. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop on your Google. Then simply click on Chrome Remote Desktop, which is the first one. Then click on Access My Computer. In here, you'll find download option. Simply click on Set Remote Access, and then you'll find Add to Chrome option. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. After that, your extension will be downloaded. Click on puzzle-like piece on top and pin Chrome Remote Desktop. After that, you can choose a name for your computer. Then press on Next. After that, enter New Pin. Again, enter the same pin and click on Start. After that, you need to go to your mobile phone Play Store and then search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install it. After it's installed, simply open the application on your phone. After that, simply open and log into the Google account you have used on your laptop in your phone. After that, it's showing it's connecting. Enter the pin you entered on your laptop, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. From here, you can control your computer with your cell phone. And this is how to control your computer with your cell phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.